Sensei, the package is here.
Hello and welcome to another episode of road-driven unboxing. In this video I'm going to unbox the helmet, first time with you. I'm very excited, and also have some small review, say about pros and cons, so you can also decide if you want to buy this helmet or not. Without further ado, let's begin unboxing. Okay, I don't think we need that anymore. Oh, a lot of protection. It looks like having this doll, how's it called, matryoshka I think, or something like that. One more layer. Oh, wow. Okay, sorry, I need to present it to you. So that's the helmet. I bought on purpose the samurai one, as I love Japan and Japanese motorbikes. So yeah, I think this is the most fitted one. Before we start the unboxing, I need to do the most satisfying thing ever. Removing the membrane. Oh, yay. That's nice. The second thing after removing the membrane is to remove the manuals that it has inside. So I don't think I'm gonna need to read them. It's a helmet. When you think of Italy, what does it come to your mind as the first thing? You said pizza, didn't you, right? No. I wanted to talk about style. Like, Italians has a really good style, really good taste. Okay, so let's start with most basic. It's a street helmet. I don't think you should do enduro with that. Maybe buy a enduro helmet. It weighs approximately 1.4 kilos, which is middle. It's not so light, it's not so heavy. It's a decent weight. Regarding safety, of course, it meets the EU regulations, current regulations, which is the 22.06 ECE, if I remember correctly. So this helmet has 3 shells, which is really good. And if you don't know what exactly a shell is, pause the video so you can read this image here. The outer shell is made of HRT, high resistant thermoplastic. It's very durable and it's really good at absorbing the impact when you fall. Inside there is a ASN system. It's Airoh sliding technology basically, which is a 3D fabric structure designed to reduce rotational forces to your head during the impact. Regarding the visor, it has the tab, the opening tab on the left. So you are able to, lift the visor and continue driving, don't leave the throttle. Maybe small detail, but details matter in this case. And also, a really great feature is the ATVR, which means Airoh toolless visor removal. It's basically Airoh technology to allow you quick swaps between your visors. Moving next, ventilators. It has 2 vents on the top, which is basically really interesting how they did it. They have this scrolling mechanism to open and close the vent. Actually, I don't know if I would like it or not, because all my helmets have just a button. So let's test it, I'm curious. On the front, there are also ventilators. You can close them or open them from inside. Small detail which I really like, it's on the back of the helmet. They have also vents here, which is basically for air extraction. You have nice airflow inside the helmet. Really nice detail. Good job, Airoh. So what do you think about the helmet? It's pretty decent, right? But as all the product, it has some cons. Thankfully, there are not so many, so let's move to the cons. Airoh wanted to keep the helmet in a good price and also comply with the EU regulations, so they didn't dig through the shell. So that means they don't have a sun visor, unfortunately, to this helmet at all. And this can be a problem to someone that really goes for long trips. Second thing that I will put it in the cons is that when you buy the helmet, it doesn't have a pin lock inside. So you need to buy the pin lock separately. Lastly, this is personal opinion, I would say. It has a micrometric system to put it on or off. I would definitely prefer the double D ring, as it provides more safety. But yeah, as I said, this is personal. You can think about it. But honestly, these cons are easy to forgive if you consider how really affordable this helmet is. So with only 160 euros, you can buy something really pretty, really stylish, and really good in quality. I would say big thumbs up to Airoh, and thank you for providing us with nice helmets. To finish the video, thank you so much for watching, and as a gift, I can provide you 10% discount on this helmet or other products, so check the description below. Why are you still here? Just go and buy it. See ya.